So what is a blizzard, besides a delicious dairy treat from a certain ice cream monarch? I'm Storm Team meteorologist Jason Myers, and blizzards have a very specific, difficult set of criteria to meet before they can be categorized as this type of winter storm, and it has more to do with wind and visibility than it does with snow. According to the National Weather Service, blizzards are winter storms with frequent winds of 35 miles an hour or higher, with falling or blowing snow that reduces visibility to a quarter mile or less. That means it doesn't even have to be snowing for a blizzard to occur, but all these conditions are expected to last for a minimum of 3 hours. That's a long time for any one storm. Even the day after tomorrow was over in a little more than 2 hours.
I'm afraid that time has come and gone, my friend.
But that little time requirement is what usually disqualifies most winter storms from being classified as a blizzard. It's more common for a snowstorm to have blizzard conditions for a short while, but lasting the entire 3 hours is much more rare. But when the United States does see a blizzard, they're most common in the northern plains, Midwest, and in the Northeast.
A blizzard is formed when a warm air mass goes over a cold air mass. This creates a front and creates precipitation. In 1888, one of the worst blizzards in American history hit New York City, killing more than 400 people and dumping as much as 55 inches of snow in some areas. It happened when the cold Arctic airs from Canada collided with the Gulf air from the south, and temperatures plunged. By midnight on March 11th, gusts were recorded at 85 miles per hour in New York City, along with heavy snow. The latest blizzard was 1.2 inches of snow on May 16th in England. It was the record breaker for snow in the spring at England. Blizzards can impact in a positive way by canceling school for some kids. Also, the sales of sleds, toboggans, snowmobiles, skis, etc. are proven to increase before and after blizzards. But blizzards can also be negative by having snow winds, crashes, and road closing on streets.
Look at that snow, Abby. Look at that snow. What is it? It's cold outside. Look at that snow, Abby. Look at that snow. Is it cold? It's cold outside. Yeah. Bye-bye, snow. Is it cold?
What's happening in my world? I gotta make a shovel.
So I'm getting ready to go out on the deck, and there's about 5 feet of snow from the drift here on the deck in Charlottesville, and it's still snowing. So there he goes.
Okay.
Did that work?
That worked.
All right.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm not even standing on the deck. I'm standing on like a foot of snow. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I can. That works.
Should I go around and get you from the other side?
All right. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness.
It's almost impossible.
Ivan,
That's a lot of weight, though, on this deck.
I know. It's... Get the video on, you might see me go down the whole deck.
I wouldn't want to miss that.
All right.